Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, now we are discussing applications of derivatives, 6th chapter, and we are discussing maxima minima concept. And up to last class we discussed up to exercise 6.5 up to question number 15 we discussed. Next we will continue remaining problems in this session. Question number 16. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cubes is minimum. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cubes is minimum. Okay, we have to find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and sum of those cubes is minimum. Okay, now if you consider two numbers such that their sum is 16, I will consider it as x and 16 minus x. Okay, let x and 16 minus x be two numbers. Okay, let x and 16 minus x be two numbers. Now sum of these two numbers is 16. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to minimize sum of these cubes. Okay, let s be the sum of these cubes. Okay, let s be the sum of cubes of x and 16 minus x. Okay, that is s is equal to x cube plus 16 minus x whole cube. Okay, s is sum of x cube and 16 minus x cube. Okay, so for minimum or maximum what we will do? For minimum or maximum we will find first derivative equal to 0. Okay, and we will verify sign of second derivative at the points where first derivative equal to 0. Now first of all we will find first derivative, that is by differentiating with respect to x. So what we get? Left hand side ds by dx is equal to right hand side x cube derivative is what? 3x square plus 16 minus x whole cube derivative. It is of the form x power n derivative. X power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1. Okay, so 16 minus x whole cube derivative is 3 into 16 minus x whole square into, by chain rule, by differentiating 16 minus x, 16 derivative 0 minus x derivative minus 1. Okay, so what we get? ds by dx is equal to 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square. First derivative ds by dx is equal to 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square. This is first derivative. Now second derivative, now differentiating ds by dx, so what we get? Left hand side d square s by dx square is equal to right hand side 3x square derivative 3 into x square derivative 2x, so 3 into 2 6x minus 3 into 16 minus x square derivative, 16 minus x whole square derivative, that is 2 into 16 minus x into 16 minus x derivative minus 1. So minus of minus plus, so plus 3 into 2 into 16 minus x. Okay, this is second derivative. If you multiply this 6 inside, so what we get? 6x plus 6 into 16, 96 minus 6x. So plus 6x minus 6x cancel. So what we get? d square s by dx square is equal to 96. Okay, d square s by dx square is equal to 96. Okay, now for minima or maxima, first of all what we will do? We will put first derivative equal to 0. For minimum or maximum, put ds by dx is equal to 0. First derivative equal to 0. So if you put this part, that is 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square equal to 0. Okay, now overall 3 common, cross multiply. So what we get, x square minus 16 minus x whole square equal to 0. So x square minus half 16 minus x whole square is a minus b whole square. A square 16 square plus b square x square minus 2ab, 2 into 16 into x. So what we have, x square minus half 256 plus x square minus 32x. Okay, and this is plus x square, this is minus x square because minus half, no? So plus x square minus x square cancel. So what we have, if we apply minus here, so 32x minus 256 equal to 0. So x is equal to what? 256 upon 32, that is 8. So x value is 8. Okay. So critical point is what? 8. Now verify sign of second derivative at x is equal to 8. Now what is second derivative? D square s by dx square is equal to what? 96. This is a constant, no? Constant function. D square s by dx square is equal to 96, constant function. Okay, at x is equal to 8 is also, this is what? 96 only. So at x is equal to 8, at x is equal to 8, at x is equal to 8 also d square s by dx square is equal to how much? 96. Okay, at x is equal to 8, d square x by dx square is 96. Okay, so here d square s by dx square is equal to how much we got? 96. That is greater than 0. That is greater than 0. Okay, so second derivative is positive at a point where first derivative is 0. ds by dx equal to 0 gives x equal to 8. At x is equal to 8, second derivative is what? Positive. So by second derivative test, what we can conclude? By second derivative test, x equal to 8 is point of minima. Okay, by second derivative test, x equal to 8 is point of local minima of s. S equal to 8, x equal to 8 is point of local minima of s. Okay, so sum of cubes is minimum when x is equal to 8. So when x is equal to 8, another number is what? 16 minus 8 is what? 8. So hence required numbers are what? 8 and 8. Okay, we consider two numbers 8 and 8, their sum is 16. Also sum of their cubes is minimum. Sum of their cubes is minimum. Okay, what is the procedure, ma? What is the question here? Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cubes is minimum. Okay, I'll consider two numbers as x and 16 minus x, so that their sum is 16. Okay, and sum of their cubes I'll consider as s. S is equal to x cube plus 16 minus x whole cube. Okay, now first derivative ds by dx equal to x cube derivative 3x square plus 16 minus x whole cube derivative 3 into 16 minus x whole square into 16 derivative 0 minus x derivative minus 1. So what we get? ds by dx equal to 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square. Okay, now second derivative d square s by dx square is equal to 3x square derivative 6x minus 3 into 16 minus x whole square derivative is 2 into 16 minus x into minus 1, nothing but 6x plus 6 into 16 minus x. Okay, we simplify, what we get? 96. So d square s by dx square is equal to 96. Okay, second derivative is 96. Now for minimum or maximum, we'll put first derivative equal to 0. So put ds by dx equal to 0. After simplification, what we get? X is equal to 8. So at x is equal to 8, second derivative is what? Positive, because it is a constant function. So d square s by dx square is 96 only at x value, any x value. Okay, so at x is equal to 8 also d square s by dx square is 96, which is positive. So by second derivative test, x equal to 8 is point of local minima. So sum of cubes is minimum when x value is 8, another value is what? 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, sum of cubes is minimum when x equal to 8 and other number is also 8. So when the required numbers are what? 8 and 8. Okay, so next question number 17. Question number 17, sum of a square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting off square from each corner and folding up the flaps of the box. Okay, what should be the side of the square to be cut off so that volume of the box is maximum. Okay, now here what is given is, first of all, a square piece of tin of 18 centimeter given. Here it is written, here it is drawn. Okay, now 18 centimeter a square piece is given. Now what they are doing is, they are cutting each corner, a square piece they are cutting. Okay, and they are folding the flaps. It is like you can imagine something like a speed box. Okay, speed box, square shape, each corner they are cutting. Okay, each corner they are cutting some square part. What they are doing, they are folding this flap. Okay, folding, folding and folding. Okay, now what should be the length of the square to be cut, so that volume of this box is maximum. Volume of this box is maximum. Okay, what is given, square piece of tin is 18 centimeter, no? So 18 centimeter, so each this corner I am cutting a side of x centimeter, this also side of x centimeter, side of x centimeter and side of x centimeter I cut. So now length is what now? Length is 18 minus 2x, breadth is also 18 minus 2x. Now this you are folding, no? Height is how much? X. Height is x. Okay, length is 18 minus 2x, breadth is also 18 minus 2x, height is x. Height is x. Okay, and that is the information. Let the side of the square to be cut off be x centimeter, where 0 less than x less than 9. Why 0 less than x less than 9? Because x has to be positive, that is one thing. Here you are cutting x centimeter, this side x centimeter, so remaining length is what? 18 minus 2x, breadth is also 18 minus 2x. Suppose x value 9 or more than 9, so 18 minus 2x is what? 0 or less than 0, so that cannot be possible, no? So x value lies between 0 to 9 only, in between 0 to 9, 0 excluded, 9 is also excluded. Okay, so 0 less than x less than 9. Now length is what here? Length is 18 minus 2x centimeter, breadth is also 18 minus 2x centimeter, height is what? X centimeter. Okay, so that implies length and breadth of the box will be 18 minus 2x centimeter each, and height of the box is x centimeter. So length is 18 minus 2x, breadth is 18 minus 2x and height is x. Okay, now volume of a box, but this is nothing but it is a cuboid shape, cuboid without top. Okay, so volume of cuboid is what? Length into breadth into height. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So volume V is equal to length 18 minus 2x, breadth is 18 minus 2x, height is x. Okay, so length into breadth into height. Okay, length into breadth into height, that is 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x into x. Okay, now if you simplify, here you can take 2 common, here also you can take 2 common. So 2 into 9 minus x, 2 into 9 minus x into x, nothing but 2 into 2, 4x into 9 minus x whole square. Volume is equal to 4x into 9 minus x whole square. So 9 minus x whole square, a minus b whole square. Okay, 9 minus x square, 9 minus x whole square is 9 square plus x square minus 18x. So x square plus 81 minus 80x. Okay, so 4x into a minus b whole square, a square, 9 square 81, x square minus 2ab, minus 2 into 9 into x, nothing but minus 18x. Okay, now if you multiply x here, so what we get? V is equal to 4 into x cube minus 18x square plus 81x. Okay, so volume V is equal to 4 into x cube minus 18x square plus 81x. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, so what we get? Dv by dx is equal to 4 into x cube derivative is what? 3x square minus 18x square derivative minus 18 into x square derivative 2x, so minus 18 into 2 minus 36x plus 81x derivative is 81. Okay, now dv by dx is equal to 4 into 3x square minus 36x plus 81. Each term is multiple of 3, 3 right outside, 3 into 4, 12. So dv by dx equal to 12 into x square minus 12x plus 27. Okay, this is first derivative. Now second derivative, d square v by dx square. d square v by dx square is equal to 12 into my x square derivative is what, 2x minus 12x derivative is 12, constant derivative 0. So what we have, d square v by dx square is equal to 12 into 2x minus 12, but 2 common, so 2 into 12, 24 into x minus 6. So d square v by dx square is equal to 24 into x minus 6. Okay, volume formula, first derivative and second derivative completed. Now for minimum or maximum, first derivative equal to 0. Okay, for minimum or maximum put first derivative dv by dx equal to 0. What is dv by dx? 12 into x square minus 12x plus 27. So 12 into x square minus 12x plus 27 equal to 0. So 12 non-zero, no? So x square minus 12x plus 27 equal to 0. Okay. Now if we factorize this one, how we can factorize x minus 3 into x minus 9? So x square minus 12x plus 27, we can factorize it as x minus 3 into x minus 9. So x minus 3 into x minus 9 equal to 0. So x value is 3 or 9. X equal to either 3 or 9. But already what we know? X equal to 9 is not possible because x value lies between, ranges between 0 to 9 only. X is non-zero, x is not 5. Okay, in between 0 and 9 only. Okay, so x equal to 9 is not possible. So x is equal to 3 is the only possibility. Therefore x equal to 3. Now volume is minimum or maximum. How we can check now? By second derivative. Okay, verify the sign of second derivative x is equal to 3 at x is equal to 3. Okay, but d square v by dx square is equal to how much? 24 into x minus 6. 24 into x minus 6. Okay, at x is equal to 3, d square v by dx square equal to how much? 24 into 3 minus 6. 24 into 3 minus 6 is minus 3, no? So minus 3 into 24 minus 72, negative. Okay, so second derivative is negative at a point where first derivative is 0. Okay, therefore by second derivative test x equal to 3 is a point of maxima. By second derivative test x equal to 3 is a point of maxima. Okay, x equal to 3 is point of maxima. Okay, hence we cut off 3 centimeter from each corner of the square tin and make the box from remaining sheet, then volume of the box is maximum. Okay, okay, volume of the box is maximum. So what we have to do, we have to cut off a square of 3 centimeter each. Okay, that is what we have to cut off. Now here question is a square piece given of sheet, it is given 18 centimeter. We have to cut each corner a square piece so that we make a box. Okay, box without top, so that volume has to be maximum. To maximize volume, what is the side length of square to be cut off? Okay, that is what it is given. A square piece of tin of sides 18 centimeter is to be made into box without top by cutting off square from each corner and folding up the flaps. Okay, folding up the flaps of the box. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that volume of the box is maximum? Okay, let side of the square to be cut off be x centimeter. X lies between 0 to 9 only because this is the reason. This is 18. So this side x we cut, means length will be 18 minus 2x and breadth is also 18 minus 2x and height is x. Okay, so that is what it is written here. Length and breadth of the box will be 18 minus 2x centimeter and the height of the box is x centimeter. So volume is length into breadth into height. Okay, 2 common here, 2 common here. So what we get, volume is equal to 4x into 9 minus x whole square. Okay, so if we expand, what we get, v is equal to 4 into x cube minus 18x square plus 81x. Okay, so first derivative dv by dx is equal to 12 into x square minus 12x plus 27. Second derivative d square v by dx square is equal to, differentiating this part, what we get, 24 into x minus 6. Okay, now for minimum or maximum, first derivative equal to 0. Okay, for minimum or maximum, first derivative equal to 0. By putting first derivative 0, what we got, x equal to 3 and 9, but x equal to 9 is not possible, so x is equal to 3. So at x is equal to 3, we will verify sign of second derivative. So at x equal to 3, d square v by dx square is equal to 24 into 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So minus 72 negative. So by second derivative test, x equal to 3 is point of maxima. Hence we cut off 3 centimeter from each corner of the square tin and make box from remaining sheet. Then volume of the box is maximum. Okay. Next question. Question number 18. Question number 18. A rectangular sheet of tin 45 centimeter by 24 centimeter. My previous question, it is a square sheet 18 centimeter, 18 centimeter. Here in this question, a rectangular sheet, okay, length 45 centimeter and breadth 24 centimeter, okay, 45, 24, okay, is made into a box without top by cutting off square from each corner and folding up the flaps. Okay, similar to previous question ma. Here the difference between this question and that question is, previous question it is a square sheet, here it is a rectangular sheet. Okay, procedure is similar. Okay, what should be the side of the square to be cut off so that volume of the box is maximum? Okay, we have to maximize volume like previous problem. Okay, so let side of the square to be cut off be x centimeter. So x centimeter here and x centimeter here you removed. So length is how much? Length of the box is 45 minus 2x. Breadth is how much? 24 minus 2x. Height is how much? X. Okay, so length is equal to 45 minus 2x. Breadth is equal to 24 minus 2x. And height is equal to x. Okay, now volume of, this is a box, volume of cuboid, no? Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So volume is equal to 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. Okay, so if you multiply these two, so 45 into 24, that is 1080, okay, 90 and 48, 138x minus 138x, and minus 2x into minus 2x is plus 4x square. So what we have, volume is equal to x into 4x square minus 138x plus 1080. If you multiply x inside, so what we get, volume is equal to 4x cube minus 138x square plus 1080x. Volume is equal to 4x cube minus 138x square plus 1080x. Okay. Now first derivative, dv by dx. dv by dx is equal to what? 4 into x cube derivative 3x square, 4 into 3, 12x square, minus 138 into x square derivative 2x, no? So minus 138 into 2, minus 276x plus 1080 into x derivative 1. So dv by dx equal to 12x square minus 276x plus 1080. This is first derivative. Next second derivative. Second derivative, d square v by dx square, 12 into x square derivative 2x, no? So 12 into 2, 24x minus 276x derivative minus 276 into x derivative 1. So d square v by dx square is equal to 24x minus 276. Okay, first derivative and second derivative completed. Now for minimum or maximum, we'll put first derivative equal to 0. For maximum, put dv by dx equal to 0. So dv by dx, how much we got? 12x square minus 276x plus 1080. By equating that equal to 0, here each number, each term is multiple of 12. Each term is multiple of 12, taking 12 common. So 12 into x square minus 23x plus 90 equal to 0. Okay, so 12 non-zero means this is 0. If you factorize it, x square minus 23x plus 90 equal to 0, if we factorize this part, what we can write is x minus 5 into x minus 18 equal to 0. Okay, x minus 5 into x minus 18 equal to 0. So x value, possible value of x is what? X equal to 5 and x equal to 18. X equal to 5 and 18. But if you consider x equal to 18, what will happen with breadth? Breadth is 24 minus 2 into 18 is negative, no? Okay, but x not equal to 18 because 24 minus 2x is negative when x is equal to 18. So length cannot be negative, no? Length, breadth, these are sides cannot be negative. So x equal to 18 is not possible. X equal to 18 is not possible. Now what is the possible value of x? X is equal to 5. Okay, now we will verify at x is equal to 5, second derivative is positive or negative. Okay, at x is equal to 5, d square v by dx square. What is d square v by dx square? 24x minus 276. No? So at x is equal to 5, so what we get, 24 into 5 minus 276, 24 into 5, 120, yeah? So 120 minus 276, how much? Minus 156, okay, minus 156, that is negative, okay. So second derivative is negative, no? Okay, second derivative is negative at x is equal to 5. So by second derivative test, x equal to 5 is a point of maxima. X equal to 5 is point of maxima. So hence the side of the square to be cut off from each corner is what? Okay, side of the square to be cut off to make volume of the box is maximum as possible is 5 centimeters. Okay, that is the answer. Now here what is given compared to previous question and this question. Previous question given a square sheet, here a rectangular sheet. Okay, remaining everything is same. Okay, a rectangular sheet of tin 45 centimeter by 24 centimeter. So length is 45 and breadth is 24. Okay, so each corner x if you remove, so length is 45 minus 2x, breadth is 24 minus 2x, height is x. So volume, length into breadth into height. So what is V? V is equal to 4x cube minus 138x square plus 1080x. Okay, now first derivative dv by dx is derivative of this part 12x square minus 276x plus 1080. Second derivative d square v by dx square is 24x minus 276. Now for minimum or maximum, we will put first derivative equal to 0. Okay, now first derivative dv by dx equal to 0, nothing but 12x square minus 276x plus 1080 equal to 0. Here each term is multiple of 12. Take 12 common, 12 into x square minus 23x plus 90 equal to 0. So 12 non-zero means this x square minus 23x plus 90 equal to 0. Now if we factorize, how we can factorize this part? X minus 5 into x minus 18 equal to 0. So x equal to 5 or x equal to 18, but x equal to 18 is not possible. If you consider x equal to 18, breadth 24 minus 2x is what? Negative, which is not correct, no? So x equal to 18 is not possible, so x equal to 5 is possible. So at x equal to 5, second derivative if we verify, so at x equal to 5 d square v by dx square is minus 156, that is negative. So by second derivative test, x equal to 5 is point of maxima. Hence side of the square to be cut off to make volume of the box maximum is 5 centimeter. Okay, I will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.